All right, so this is going to show you the Circaid reduction kit for the arm. And so we put just like the stockinette, tubular stockinette that comes with it. And then we've got this Circaid with straps coming out. These loose straps are to kind of just to put it in place first. And you want to bring it all the way up to the upper arm. So you bring it to the upper arm, you uncurl your straps, and kind of tighten it around, going perpendicular to the arm. This strap is missing its thing. It's right here. It's right here. It's okay.
I think I pulled it off.
That's fine. So you're supposed to, she can put it on herself. It takes a little harder than when I do it. And what the therapist can do, as she gets smaller, she'll wear this 24/7. As she gets smaller, I can cut the straps so they're not quite as long and reposition the Velcro. That's an extra piece of Velcro right there. Okay? Good. So right now, the ones that seemed a little long, this one's a little long. You want me to cut that down a little for you?
It's up to you, honey.
Okay? So,
Oh,
okay. So right now, this is kind of, it's covering everything. But when you stretch it, the straps are a little bit long. So we're going to cut it. And put the Velcro back on the end and then pull it across. Once you put it on, you go back to where you started in the top and just kind of tighten it a little bit more, kind of making sure nothing's gapping or not being covered. See, that one seems a little long too. Is that one? You might have to reach it from underneath though, so you might need it kind of long. And this is called a reduction kit by Circaid. Usually costs are $139. This is the hand piece that comes with it. There's two straps. We want to kind of keep it in the palm, go across the hand, and do this strap that goes over the knuckles. And then the other one kind of transitions at the wrist. Can you turn your palm up so you can see kind of what it looks like? And then back down. So it provides compression like bandages. Right here it looks like it's a little bulgy. Oh, this is that extra piece. So I'm just going to make sure I smooth that out a little bit. And get those gaps covered. Okay. I can put this over top.